Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best dough roller on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Popnova Z1HK004 Dough Roller. Popnova Z1HK004 dough roller turns your ordinary pastry dough into a work of art. Popnova Z1HK004 dough roller is designed with a smooth silicone surface to ensure better dough flow and a more consistent texture. It is a perfect pastry tool for home bakers while still being lightweight, easy to handle and store. Silicone allows Popnova Z1HK004 dough roller to roll out dough to a perfect 2 mm thickness. By using Popnova Z1HK004 dough roller, you can roll out pie dough to a size that is big enough to create 24 mini personal pizzas. It is a great gift for bakers and people who love to bake and can also be used for making cookies, candies, and other pastries. Non-stick silicone dough rolling pin is designed to be a tool for all types of pastry dough including cookie dough, buns, biscuits, and more. Silicone dough rolling pin is made of food-grade silicone, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 4. Intellitopia Dough Roller. Intellitopia Dough Roller is a high-quality, non-stick rolling pin, which is made of stainless steel, and it is both durable and sturdy. It is lightweight, portable, easy to clean and store. Great for making pizzas, pastries, cookies, and more. This stainless steel rolling pin is exactly what you need. It is made up of high-quality stainless steel, so you do not have to worry about discoloration or rust. You can easily roll out dough, cookies, pie, pizza, and whatever else you have in your mind. It also has a no-stick property, which makes it easy to clean. It is very easy to clean. You can wipe it with a damp cloth, or in some cases, wash it with mild detergent if it is really dirty. Number 3. Venlohome 4HK003 Dough Roller. Venlohome 4HK003 dough roller is non-stick and will help you roll out the dough in perfect uniformity. It has a long wooden handle for easy handling. You can use this rolling pin for rolling out cookie dough, pastry dough, and pasta. You can also use it for flattening, rolling, and shaping pastry, cookie dough, and pasta dough. The high-quality design and excellent performance of this silicone rolling pin make it the perfect choice for you. The dough roller Venlohome 4HK003 rolling pin is a new, non-stick, silicone rolling pin. The rolling pin is perfect for making dough or clay. It is easy to use and clean. It is extremely durable. You will never need to replace this rolling pin. It is multifunctional, and you can use it as a rolling pin, pastry mold, and cookie biscuit cutter. Number 2. CF305 Dough Roller. CF305 dough roller is made of silicone, is easy to clean and sturdy. It is safe to use and easy to handle. It can be used for pastry, baking, decorating, and more. The non-stick and non-toxic silicone material makes it easy to clean and quicker to dry. Use it to roll out pie dough, cookies, and more. You can use it to create any shapes you want, and the silicone means it won't stick to your dough. Just let the dough rest for a few minutes if it sticks to the roller when rolling. The handle is made of wood. Available in fun colors, so you can choose your favorite. Cleaning it is simple and can be done by hand or in the dishwasher. It is great for any use in the kitchen, including baking with kids. This mini rolling pin is easy to store and will look good in any kitchen. Number 1. Alido Roller. Alido Roller is a new non-stick, easy to clean and easy to store fondant rolling pin that is perfect for all crafting and baking needs. Its smooth surface makes it effortless to roll out dough to the perfect size and thickness, giving you a professional finish every time. This fondant rolling pin is perfect for use with both sugarcraft and ceramic clay for art projects, cookies and cakes, and other desserts alike. It can also be used in preparation for covering food items for freezing and for storage. With its high quality and affordable price, there's no reason not to purchase this lacquered fondant rolling pin for effortless crafting at home on any given day. The roller has a non-stick surface, so the fondant roll out smoothly and evenly, and is also easy to clean. It is made of high-quality material and will not warp, rust, or break. Aside from cakes, you can also use this roller to make other crafts, drawings, and painting. It can be used by kids and adults, beginner or professional, male or female. It comes with a stand, so it can be placed anywhere for easy access. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.